and welcome back to Smart Farm Insight. Across vast belts of subtropical farmland, orange trees line the horizon like bright green waves, each glossy leaf, each fragrant blossom, and each heavy cluster of fruit tells a story of soil, climate, and skill. This is where sunshine becomes sugar, and where an everyday fruit powers a multi-billion-dollar industry. Today we follow that journey, beginning in the grove, moving through harvest and packing, and ending in modern plants where oranges become juice, dried slices, essential oils, and more. Oranges flourish where winters are mild and summers bring steady warmth, typically 25–30 degree Celsius during the growing season, with little risk of frost. Before the first tree is planted, growers survey their site. Gentle slopes for cold air drainage, well-drained soil, access to irrigation, and shelter from harsh wind. Compost or well-cured manure improves structure and biology. Instead, growers graft high-performing scions, navels, valencias, or specialty types onto hardy rootstocks chosen for soil tolerance and disease resistance. Grafting gives uniform trees that fruit earlier and more reliably than seedlings. Young trees are planted in spring or fall, when soil moisture is good and temperatures are moderate. Planting holes are prepared with base nutrients and backfilled to position the graft union above soil level. Spacing, often 4–6 meters between trees in rows, 5–7 meters apart, balances light, airflow, and machinery access. Drip lines or micro sprinklers are installed immediately. In their first seasons, trees need consistent but careful watering. The goal is to keep roots moist without waterlogging. Citrus hates wet feet. Mulch helps suppress weeds and stabilize soil temperature. Pruning is gentle at first, removing weak or crossing shoots and encouraging a strong central framework. As orchards expand, some growers use mechanical hedgers or top pruners to shape rows quickly and safely, reducing hand labor while keeping canopies uniform. Spring brings a cloud of white blossoms and a perfume that carries for kilometers. Warm, steady weather favors pollination and fruit set. Swings in temperature or moisture can cause drop. Growers manage irrigation and nutrition carefully at this stage, avoiding stress that might thin the crop. Once fruit is set, it expands slowly over months. Oranges do not continue to sweeten after they're picked, so timing is critical. Growers track color change, sugar to acid ratio, Deggy-Brix acid, and sample taste. Depending on variety and latitude, harvest windows typically span late autumn through spring. Hand harvest remains common for fresh fruit. Crews clip or twist with care, placing fruit into shoulder bags that empty into padded bins to protect peel and stem end. Skilled pickers can move astonishing volumes while keeping damage low. Mechanical aids support large orchards, bin trailers, platforms, and, where suitable, tree tree shakers paired with catching systems. These tools raise throughput, trimming labor, and helping beat incoming storms. Speed preserves quality. Filled bins are shaded and moved quickly to the pack house. There, fruit flows through a gentle receiving line. Pre-wash. Water sprays and soft brushes remove dust and field debris. Culling and grading. Trained staff and optical systems remove any bruised or blemished fruit and sort the rest by size and quality class. Optional waxing. A thin, food-grade coating reduces moisture loss and improves appearance. Label and pack. Fruit is placed in cartons, RPCs, or mesh bags with traceable labels indicating orchard, lot, and pack date. For fresh market, the cold chain starts immediately. Packed fruit enters forced air coolers or conditioned rooms to stabilize temperature before loading into refrigerated trucks. Temperature management keeps peel firm, prevents decay, and protects flavor on the journey to wholesalers, retailers, and export hubs. A different stream heads to the juice plant. These oranges are still sound, but size or cosmetic imperfections make them better suited for squeezing. Receiving and cleaning mirror the fresh line. Wash, brush, rinse, and inspect. Then fruit travels to extractors that score or compress the peel and express juice from the segments. Modern systems separate juice, screen to remove seeds and large pulp, then standardized for pulp level. Pulp and cloud, adjusted to the style, from smooth to extra pulp. To ensure safety and shelf life, juice undergoes heat treatment, short, controlled pasteurization, or UHT, depending on the product. It's then filled into bottles, cartons, or bulk totes under hygienic conditions. Quality checks confirm pH, typically 3.4.5, Deji bricks 10-13, common for single strength, color, aroma, and microbial standards. Chilled storage preserves freshness for not from concentrate products. Shelf-stable lines ship ambient. Value-added processing stretches the orange's usefulness. Wrapped in one of nature's most elegant packages. They're also livelihoods, export cargo, school lunch, bakery glaze, cocktail garnish, and winter color on a kitchen counter. From the first turning of the soil to the final seal on a juice bottle, the Orange Odyssey is the quiet choreography of land, science, and labor. The next time you sip or slice, take a second to notice the balance. Sweetness and acid, aroma and peel, people and machines, tradition and innovation. That balance is the industry's true signature, and the reason a simple fruit keeps captivating the world. Garlic may not have the dramatic colors of tropical fruits or the exotic aura of rare imported produce, but this humble bulb has quietly become one of the most influential crops on the planet. Known for its unmistakable aroma and powerful flavor, garlic has shaped cuisines, boosted immune systems, and fueled cultural legends for thousands of years. Today, more than 28 million tons of garlic are cultivated globally each year, feeding a massive industry that stretches from expansive farmlands to modern, high-tech factories. But this isn't just a story about flavor. It's a story about resilience, because garlic thrives where many plants fail. It tolerates frost, grows in rugged conditions, and demands surprisingly little maintenance. Yet behind every perfect bulb lies a long, demanding process that blends traditional farming techniques with highly advanced machinery. Let's explore the complete journey of garlic, from the cold soil where a single clove begins its life, all the way to the gleaming packaging lines, where it becomes one of the world's most beloved ingredients. Garlic starts its life during the cool months of autumn, when farmers prepare deep, loose, nutrient-rich beds. Garlic absolutely hates standing water, so the soil must drain well. Traditionally, farmers planted each clove by hand, a slow, back-breaking task. But in large-scale production regions, industrial garlic planters have transformed this stage completely. These machines hold thousands of cloves in rotating compartments, dropping them one by one into perfectly spaced furrows. At the same time, the machine gently covers the cloves with soil, ensuring consistent depth and ideal spacing for every plant. Uniform rows help maximize yield, improve airflow, and make future maintenance far more efficient. Within a few weeks, green sprouts push through the soil, standing resilient in the cold winter air. Despite garlic's tough reputation, its growth must be managed with precision. Over the next 6 to 8 months, farmers maintain the soil, provide irrigation during dry spells, and protect the crop from weeds that compete for nutrients. Garlic rarely needs heavy watering, but timing matters. Too much water can rot the developing bulb. Too little, and the cloves will remain small and weak. Throughout the season, farmers monitor pests and diseases, particularly fungal infections that thrive in damp environments. As winter fades, garlic sends up thicker stalks, and the bulbs begin to divide into individual cloves. This is the moment farmers have been waiting for, the signal that harvest season is approaching. Harvesting garlic requires impeccable timing. If farmers dig too early, bulbs are small and underdeveloped. If they wait too long, the outer skins split underground, exposing cloves and reducing market value. To solve this, modern farms rely on two complementary methods: Lightweight mechanical lifters loosen the soil beneath the bulbs, lifting them gently to the surface in long rows. Workers then walk behind the machines to gather the exposed bulbs by hand, a process far faster than traditional digging. On mega farms, advanced self-propelled harvesters take efficiency to another level. These machines dig, lift, shake, and sort garlic simultaneously before depositing the bulbs directly into storage bins. With a single machine, thousands of tons can be harvested within days, an impossible feat using manual labor alone. No matter the method, bulbs must be moved quickly. Prolonged exposure to sun or heat can cause the skins to dry out unevenly, or the cloves inside to soften. As soon as garlic leaves the field, it begins a completely new phase of its journey. Trucks deliver the bulbs to processing facilities where teams of workers and machines collaborate in a fast, coordinated system. The first step is manual inspection. Workers tear away the outermost layers of papery skin still clinging to dirt. They check for mold, damaged cloves, and any irregular bulbs unfit for processing. Clean, intact bulbs continue to conveyor belts leading deeper into the factory. Here, size grading machines separate large bulbs from smaller ones, ensuring consistency for later packaging. Some garlic is boxed and shipped immediately. In fresh form, but most undergoes further processing for peeled garlic, minced garlic, roasted garlic, or value-added products used in food manufacturing. To prepare garlic for peeling, machines first break apart the bulbs. Vibrating systems and rotating drums gently separate cloves without crushing them. The cloves then travel along belts, where workers visually inspect them, removing any damaged or discolored pieces. This stage blends precise mechanical efficiency with human intuition. Machines can identify size, shape, and density, but only skilled workers can spot subtle imperfections that affect flavor and storage quality. Next, the cloves enter a series of air jet tunnels and vibrating peelers. High-pressure bursts of air loosen stubborn skins, while vibrating beds shake them free without damaging the cloves. The system is designed to peel large volumes while keeping each clove intact. Once peeling is complete, the cloves fall into a final cleaning system where fresh water washes away any remaining dust or skin particles. Some cloves travel to a roasting line. After cleaning, they move along a long conveyor toward industrial roasters that heat them until their color deepens and aromas intensify. Once roasted, the garlic is cooled, passed through vibratory cleaning systems, and prepared for packaging. Roasted garlic has become increasingly popular due to its mellow, caramelized flavor. Clean, peeled, or roasted garlic is now ready for packaging. Automated weighers portion exact quantities into plastic trays, vacuum-sealed packs, or airtight jars. Labels are applied with key information: origin, date, weight, and batch identification for traceability. Finally, the products are boxed, palletized, and moved to climate-controlled storage areas before being shipped to wholesalers, supermarkets, and food manufacturers. From here, garlic travels across countries and oceans, ultimately landing in the kitchens of millions of families. After garlic has completed its industrial journey, we return to the essence of the process, the farms. Each season, farmers save healthy bulbs to use as seed for the next crop. These bulbs are divided into cloves and planted again, repeating the cycle that sustains a global industry worth billions of dollars. The next time you mince a clove for a stir-fry, roast it for pasta, or smash it for garlic butter, remember the story behind it. Garlic is more than a seasoning. It is a symbol of resilience, craftsmanship, and global collaboration. And that is the extraordinary journey of the world's most quietly powerful vegetable.